Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you are doing great well. And today I will elaborate and describe one major thing. During the conversation, people are scared overwhelming because the people do not about the conversation. How do we can convey and how do we can handle it? So this video is helpful for you, and if you are beginner, then it is a very efficiently for you. So let's start. I will explain everything through of the step by step. The first step is start with the daily vocabulary. Just you need to learn five vocabulary daily, and you note it on the one copy. And after that, when you are going some places, you are doing something, then you can mesmerizing and you can imagination and you can use you on the same times. It is help to their grammar structure, and it is also help to the English conversation because your confidence will be boosted day by day. And even you are learn day by day five vocabulary, and everything is going on very well when you are using that kind of the words day by day. For example, if you have one word water, then you can say I want to drink water. And again, if you have bottle, then you can say I need to that bottle because I want to fill in the water. So that kind of word you can make, and the what translation will be good, and our grammar structure will be make day by day very if sufficient and very efficient. Just you think that kind of thing. And second step is practice speak alone with mirror. Firstly, you it is the very beneficiary for the everyone person. If you are a beginner, then you need to practice front of mirror, because when you are conversation and the practice front of mirror, it is deplete mitigate our overwhelming and our scared day by day. Even every native speaker describing the ourselves day by day front of the mirror, because it is the very good tools for everyone person. For example, some people are saying, when I went to the front of mirror, then how do I can practice? So firstly, whatever you do, then you can describe in the our word. For example, you can say what I did do today, then you can describe with our word. And second example, you can say, if I will go to market, then what kind of thing I will purchase, then you can describe in the our word. It is also help to the our conversation, and you will understanding about the conversation, how do we can connect another person, because this thought is it look like the real time conversation when you are like say something front of the mirror. It is the major tools of the everyone person. Just it should be tried to the as a beginner. And third step is a learn common phrases, not just words. So learn from phrases like can I help you, what do you mean, and how's your days going on. And these help to the speak naturally, because in initial times you just to focus on the simple level simple levels, phrases. Otherwise you will go to the advanced level and fancy level, then your mind will be blank, because as a beginner just you focus on the smoothly level type of the vocabulary and the present. Otherwise nowadays you can see every native speaker, they use fancy level. Then you don't afraid when you heard that kind of video and something, you just focus on the simple level in initial times, and gradually you will understanding everything, and you will switch on the that particular phrase. It's maybe, and it is the very importance in third use to the phrases. Without phrases you will not ask question, and you will not do the everything. So it is the help to the make a good translation structure day by day. And the fourth step is watch podcast. Watch English video with the subtitle and copy. Then how do they speak, and repeat short lines that sound great, and I will be right there. And this improve notes and confidence day by day, because if you are following anyone person, then automatically your English will be understanding you. Because you can see nowadays every pro levels person. I'm talking about Bollywood heroes are not easy to the like advanced level as sub. He are also easy to the smooth and the simple level. You can see the Shahrukh Khan. Shahrukh Khan also using the very simple level. You can see one podcast I heard and I watched that kind of podcast. Shahrukh Khan, he didn't use to the like very something face fancy and advanced level. He's just casually using whatever I am using. Just they use it, and you can when you learn with subtitle, and you will be understanding about the grammar and about the like expression and about the that person thought what you want to say and what you want to understand. Yeah, it is very important for the as a beginner, I would say. And fifth step, which is a speak with friend online or the partner. Yeah, it is the very major tools for the every person. If your friend send to message any way, then you need to send the English way, because in initial time you will send the message, then it felt like very embarrassed, because you didn't know about the sentence structure and the grammar and the good conversation, that it might be your friend will be laugh when you send the message. But initial times it's happen. First times every person like observing you are doing mistake and you are very bad person because you did it use good way. Yeah, you avoid to them in ever, but you make a consistency day by day, and absolutely what you will become a good English communicator, and who are laughing to your like conversation, that person will be appreciate to you one times we will come. Just to focus on the positive thing and believe in yourself, and you can do it. There are multiple example is available in our atmosphere, in our environment. People do not think the person will do everything, but the person tell dedication, determination, and diligence, that person achieve the output with the time. So, and sixth step, I would say, don't be afraid and mistake. Mistake are proof that you are learning. So things get connected and try again. Because without mistake, you cannot learn anything different again and again. There are multiple time video I said, if you are doing mistake, that excuse too, you are improving day by day. Even a native speaker, a lot of doing mistake. I have tried no, who have a lot of knowledge, but he did it. So just you don't think about the mistake part of life. Without mistake, you can't do anything, and you just think about the positive thing, and you will achieve the any goals whatever you want to in your life. So friends, start your English journey today. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, and just we are the consistency. And let me know comments what's your first step going to be. So friends, see you soon next video. Thank you so much. Bye.